Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Vechain. Absolutely, I'm very happy to see this kind of change occur in the Vechain. I know, my friends, this time the Vechain price is very badly fast down, but it's not me. Then you decide to sell, my friends. Vechain is going to the mean. Please try to understand, my friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. I hope you all feel very happy after watching this interesting video. If you complete this video till the end, so absolutely you feel very happy after watching this video, my friends. Keep watching this video till the end, my friends. At this time, the price of the Vechain in the market is 0.1128 USD dollar is the currently price of the Vechain, my friends. That is the currently price of the Vechain. On the other side, if we talk about the price in the Vechain, so as I told you that now at this time the price of the Vechain is very badly fast down, but it's not mean then you decide to sell, my friends. You have to hold. If you hold, so you will get profit. If you decide to sell, so you will get nothing, my friends. Remember that. That's cryptocurrency's rules, regulations, my friends. You have to follow this, my friends. Every time when you see a small fast occur in the cryptocurrency market, so a lot of people decide to sell. But no, that's not a good idea. Don't do this type of decision, my friends. If you decide to sell, so just sell it, and if you just decide to hold it, my friends. But on the basis of research, you should have to decide, my friends. Now let's see the price chart. As I told you, my friends, that the Vechain is going to the moon. You can see here, my friends, it is the common procedure of cryptocurrency market that it jump falls down. And now they are falling mood, and now this time maybe there's a lot of chances to the price pump, and Vechain are going to the moon, my friends. And I'm feeling very happy about Vechain. I believe that they will easily go to the moon, my friends, and they hit a 1 USD dollar very soon, very soon, my friends. My prediction about Vechain is 100% positive, and personally at this time, I know at this time the price is negative, but the change will become a very soon positive, my friends, and in one day the change will become positive. And now the quick jump of Vechain are coming soon, so be ready and be hot, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.